Since you all like my chicken pot pie bomb video so much, dang thing went viral on me. I got another one for you. We're doing some breakfast bombs. Got a little sausage in there. This is a linked sausage that I chopped up in little bits. And we got 5 eggs scrambled up, soft scrambled. And we're going with the little bacon bits in there. We got some grated cheddar cheese, a couple handfuls of that. You know the goodness right there. I'm going in with a little sweet and spicier barbecue rub. Now guys, if you're not using barbecue rub in your recipes, you're missing out. There's so much great flavor in there. I like it a little sweet, a little spicy, and that's gonna go perfect in this breakfast bomb. So we're gonna add about a half a tablespoon, give or take. You could add a little bit more, a little bit less if you want. It's all up to you. We have some sausage gravy right here, pretty thick. So you want to kind of cook it down a little bit, but this is going to add all that good flavor and moisture to our breakfast bombs, and we're going to pour that over the top of this. Nothing like a good sausage gravy with plenty of pepper. Oh, you know it's going to be magical. Now let's give this all a good mix. Break down those eggs, make sure everything's nice and small little broken down bite-sized pieces in there, because we're going to add about a tablespoon to each of the biscuit bombs. So you want to make sure it's all nice and incorporated so that every bite has a little bit of egg, a little cheese, a little bacon, and of course that gravy on there. Oh my goodness. If your bomb mix ain't making this sound, it's not ready. Okay, it's our favorite time of the cook, trying to get the biscuits out. Very anticlimactic. It looks like it's not gonna pop unless I help it out. You know you gotta get in there, take your aggressions out. We have a 6 jumbo cupcake tin here. I learned my lesson from the last time I made these bombs. Now we have plenty of room for a big old biscuit bomb in there. So I suggest you get the jumbo cupcake tray thingy, muffin tin, all right? Just a little tip from me to you. Now all we're gonna do is take these biscuits and just flatten them out. Okay, you can use a rolling pin if you want on this, but you know, I'm not trying to dirty up any more dishes than I really need to. Make sure you don't put any holes in them. And just use your fingers to squish them kind of towards the edges, like you're making a very, very small pizza. I'm not gonna try to toss this in the air though. All right, see, nice and flat. Then we got a little healthy spoonful of our breakfast mix there. And we're just gonna seal it around it, okay? And you'll get a little messy here from all the goodness, but you really wanna make sure you create a tight seal. Use your thumb to kind of press in the mix if you need to. But you want to seal it up as best as possible on the bottom here. So we got our it's nice and sealed up on the bottom here. Nice top. We're just going to put that in one of these muffin tin holder spots. Okay, biscuit bombs are ready to go in the oven. We got a nice sharp knife here, and we're going to poke a little vent hole right in the top. Okay. So if you don't, you could possibly have a blowout in there, and you don't want a blowout in there. So X marks the spot. Oven is ready. It's been preheating to 350. Okay, there you go. Our bombs are ready to go in the oven. Like I said, 350. We're gonna go about 15-20 minutes till they're nice and golden brown and done, right? Everything on the inside is already cooked, so all you're worried about that biscuit getting cooked all the way through. I know these are gonna be amazing, so hit that thumbs up for me, and I'll see you in a second. All right, bombs are done. Let's get them out. You can see cutting the slits on the top here help let some of that steam out, but you did have a little bit of leakage from the gravy, so you know they're gonna be nice and moist in there. But now we gotta break one open. This jumbo cupcake tray worked out perfect. All right, let's get into one of these. Oh yeah, babe, look at that. Got our sausage, our eggs. Oh yeah, we gotta get a bite. All right, y'all, we got our beautiful breakfast bombs right here. Got that beautiful buttery biscuit in there. Let's get a bite. Cheers. I'll tell you what, these are the perfect grab and go little breakfast bite, bombs, right? To take on the road. Easy, simple, beautiful ingredients, so much taste, so much flavor. And you know they're good, baby.